Hello, in this video we're gonna check if XIAOMI 12T does have the stereo speakers. And to do this, first let's find all of the speakers on this device. So first one right here, another one on the top right here, and that's a phone call speaker. And on the top side there's also phone call speaker, a normal speaker. And that would pretty much confirm that this device has a stereo speakers, but let's try playing some music, covering each of the speakers with our fingers. And if the sound will be coming from all of them, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try that. And I can confirm that the sound is coming from both of the speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.